Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Today on Big Improvement Day. Yeah, it's today Big Improvement Day. Uh, Tuesday, January the 16th, 2024. The day uh, after Blue Monday. Yeah, they call it Big Improvement Day. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have the tectonic with 4 stars. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two JigSaw Sudokus, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all in the evening. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? It's too much for me. And I also solve these 3 regular puzzles. So total of 7 extra puzzles. It's a lot. But first, this one. The 3-star Sudoku number 7808. Yeah, 7808. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Wow. It's indicated with 3 stars. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 1 more. So it should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. All right. Well, let me see. 6 here, need a 7 here. Well, in this column, we have 5 missing numbers. In the second column, one of the missing number in this second column is the number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, or there. We see another 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 in the row above, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 7. Well. 6 here. 6 there. Okay. Need an 8 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So no row below. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And I need a 9 there. Okay. Need a 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. 3. Need a 3 here also. Let me think. Need an 8 here. Come on. Need a 9 there. This one is genius. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place left for the 5 should be there then. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Well. 2. Ooh, need a 2 there. Okay. Interesting. Need a 2 there. Ooh. I'm looking. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Come on. This is taking too long. Well. Need a 2, 5, and 3. Ay. What's happening now? Yeah. 6. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. Last row. No 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 6 in one of those two boxes in this row. 6 in the last row. So the row between the only 3 place level, the 6 will be here or there. We have 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. Let me fill some numbers. Here need a 2, 5, 3. Need a, in this column we need a 7 in this column. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be there. Here or there, we see another 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above the only 3 place level. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 in the last column. No 7 there. The only place level. The 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 place level the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Need 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, middle column. No 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the third row. No 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 place left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So on that row, only 2 place left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. How about? Well, and now. 3. Come on. Need a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 here, okay. And then 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, and look, we have 4 and 8 in the second row. So no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 1. So here we have a pair, the 4 and the 8 then. Alright, so 1 number left in the second row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 missing numbers in the first column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 3. Alright. Wow. We having troubles in the beginning, but now 4 and 8. We have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Okay, so here 1 and a 5. Yeah. How about the 6 in this column, the 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. So 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. And the 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and 2, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1, 1, okay. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes at there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2 is missing. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in the... No. 1 and a 5 are left. Yeah, cannot fill this yet. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Oh, no. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 or a 5 in the third row. We have a 5 now in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in that column, so the column between Only place left for the one souvenir. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One must 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. One must 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. Well. Definitely a 2 stars. Not a 3 stars. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, you are looking in the beginning for a solution, and when you find the solution, well, you solve it again. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.